Today I'm going to show you how to automatically update your trial balance when you enter in your journal entries. So here on the left side is the trial balance with beginning and ending balance, and then in between the orange columns are the journal entries, and then on the right here are the journal entries. In this example, an investment account made $800. Therefore, we will debit cash $800 and credit investment income in $800. So first, make sure to enter in your journal entry where you have the double entry set up where the debit is going to be on the left and the credit is going to be on the right. And we are going to use the account number as the lookup value. So as you see here, I have the account numbers, and we are going to classify this as journal entry 1. So now moving on to the trial balance, you can see in the columns I have journal entry 1. On the journal entry 1 cell, so in the journal entry 1 cell, enter equals ifna vlookup D6, which is the account number, comma cells 07 to Q8, which is the debit section here. So from cells 07 to Q8 to capture the double entry and using the starting at the account number, comma 3, because that is this lookup area is 1, 2, 3 columns over, comma false because we want exact matches, and comma 0. This comma 0 is telling the formula to look up the value that has this account number, but if you cannot find it, then return me 0. The next part of the formula is to then do the same thing but for the credit side. In this case, it will be minus because the minus will indicate the credit, which should show up as a negative number on the trial balance. So same drill, if NAV lookup D6, which is the account number as the lookup value, and then return cells 07 to R8. So here on the journal entry, beginning again with account number, cells 07 to R8, which will capture the credit side, comma 4, because we are looking over 1, 2, 3, 4 columns over, comma false because we want exact matches, comma 0. Now hit enter. Drag the formula down. As you can see, now it will show a debit cash and a credit in investment income. So if you change the values of the journal entry, like it will automatically update your trial balance. We can also reverse the entry and it'll automatically update the trial balance as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow for more.